If you want to supercharge the conversions of your Elementor website, let me show you how to use SamCart's Checkout Anywhere to decide how and where you sell more of your products. So here we are on an Elementor landing page, built WordPress theme, of course, Elementor, the super popular theme. And here you can see that we have embedded SamCart's Checkout right onto this page, where we have things like one-click buying with Apple Pay. We've got buy now, pay later options. We've got order bumps where people spend more money. We've got stored credit cards, all kinds of stuff to boost your sales. Let me show you exactly how to recreate this on any of your Elementor pages. The very first thing we need to do is actually head back over into SamCart, and what we need to do is grab the embed link for this product. So I go to my products tab, I open up any product that you might want to sell, and then I'm going to come to this Checkout Anywhere tab right here. On the left side, you will see options for embed, options for express. We're going to choose embed, right? And then just copy the embed code. It's super short, very, very lightweight. And then we're going to jump back into Elementor. And so now we're actually in the Elementor Builder where we're working with columns and rows and widgets and all that kind of good stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is find out where on the page I want to add this embed. You're going to look for ideally a place that's long and skinny. So I might want to take a section kind of like this, and maybe I'll just take the image and go ahead and drop it over here on the left. So now I've created kind of a long, skinny area here on the left where I can add in an HTML widget. That's exactly what I'll do. I will find the HTML widget inside of Elementor and drag or drop or whatever to get that widget over on the right-hand side where I want it. And then I'm just going to command paste in the little embed code from SamCart. You can see exactly how short and lightweight this whole thing is. And there you go. You're going to render that beautiful checkout experience right there on the left. You can make it a little shorter. You could add some more content on the left or on the right. But the end result, after I update this page, is going to be SamCart's industry-leading checkout embedded right on your Elementor page, wherever and however it is that you want to sell. So create a landing page off of a webinar that's going to sell a product. Add this to your homepage to sell more products right off the bat. But your customer is going to come in here, have an awesome mobile experience where you can get more people to buy, spending more money along the way, and driving repeat sales, making it easy for customers to come back again and again. And that's it. SamCart's Checkout Anywhere technology lets you bring industry-leading, powerful checkout right into your Elementor pages with just one very simple line of code. If you want to test out SamCart against whatever checkout you might be using right now, head to samcart.com and grab a free trial today. If SamCart doesn't pay for itself and then some, you don't pay for it at all. Head to samcart.com, grab a free trial. We'll see you guys in the next one.